man time used to drink the raw cow milk. I have an uncle who drink the cow milk just like that I come from the cow. Without its scald. If the cow body we tie up the two back foot and somebody hold it to the next side. If we not have the body to do it, we put them in between a tree where we can tie up the foot and tie the cord on the other tree down behind the cow. If nobody else not there. Just, you know.
So you know for tie up cow.
What do you mean? Tie up cow like crazy.
Or is it for tie up?
All kind of things.
You for tie up me too.
What do you mean? You don't know that too. I tie you up, you know.
Mm-hmm. What you use to tie me?
Rope.
Food.
Oh my god. Look over there.
Ropeless.
No, sir. Look how you just time me up a while ago.
Good word.
Because
You want to want me for hang dog, you never put the rope in it.
that's crazy, man. I would never think of that there coming. But people can really tie up people with food. I don't know about that. I'm not sure. I don't know if nothing goes
So you do, shouldn't
Stop them, some of them, man. That's not right.
you? You know.
What make you say that? What make that tie you with food? How you do that?
Let's cook the food nice. Shut up with where is that thing, bro?
I don't know. All the time people used to talk these things. People tie up man, one time man in a food. I do this, fellas. I think I'm go so. I think it's real.
He's a food man, you know. I mean, I buy food on roads for purpose. I mean, I drive food, but I just know I start to have snacks, you know. It's a snack, you know. Because they're in the house.
Yeah, you know I used to snack with you.
You know, straight to the stove when you're good. So I know good food. And I can cook too. I know good food.
And you know when food cook good.
I know when food cook good. I know watch how you handle yourself in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, when I just food this up. Just big and sauce or so.
Take him a little while. I'm just know my husband. And he used to call up for me. And he used to cook. Just something when he tell me. You want to eat the food, but principle, him no say. I forget to know me first before I eat from me. The food was very tempting.
By the smell. And by the look side.
I only prepare it. But he used to tell me same day food. And when my dad feel hungry, I told Jamaican man say, you know. And everyone of them still. Some of them, who them parents always want them to know, but now we go eat. Eat from anybody.
My greatest concern was cleanliness. All along. Coming up, you know, eating from home. And that's my main concern. I just want more. If you cleanse it, if you're clean and you prepare your food clean and everything, that is a plus. But I want hurdle. I'm a food man.
And there's a food man. But it take him a little while. I asked him a couple of times when he come and I prepare food. So no man, belly full.
And I'm out to run water.
Time
But
you
it no more I run water, but it I run from the inside now run out. Internal thing. And I remember when we start to eat, when we eventually start eat 1 and 2, I like from your plate. Then I eat.
Oh yeah.
You put 1 and 2 spoon, use it, you know.
Taste it from my plate.
Tell me how you know when you win me now. What you used to know when you win me. Until when we start tasting your plate. You look for me, not enough, look a bit.
I used to say that for true. Look a bit.
Like me can't eat enough.
Yeah, sure, look a bit. No, sir.
Oh, you know when you win, you know when the bigger plate them start come. I mean, and them are clean. The plate them are clean like them wash already. When we done in my plate, not even a rice, not even one. Clean. Like it was, you never have to wash it.